This is the reality of life.
And it's ready.
Hopefully pass. Because I am a very basic person. Everyone who knows me knows that I love chocolates. Each time I was falling asleep, someone used to call. So I have done my nails now. My cake is finally ready. Hey Inspirers, welcome back to another video. Today is going to be a birthday vlog and मेरा बर्थडे हो और एग्जाम ना हो ऐसा तो कभी नहीं हो सकता. तो I have given exams literally on every birthday since I can remember, and this year is not any different. This is my final year of MBBS. I'm going to graduate and yet I'm giving an exam on my birthday. This is the reality of life. And now I have completed like taking down my notes and I just need to revise everything once and then I'll be done with studying. Not done, but yes, that is what we can say for the exam tomorrow. So what our plan for today is, I'm going to study, I'm going to revise everything once, and then I have to make my own cake. I have actually made the cake, and then after studying we are going to decorate the cake together. Because I remember at home my mother used to make cakes on our birthdays, and I really wanted that feel. Of course my mom is not here, but I decided to make my own birthday cake for the first time. And now let's get back to studying because that is very important.
This part I shot in the morning as I didn't plan to shoot the day before my birthday, but in the evening I decided to do so, and that is why you are seeing these clips of me baking my own cake, and it was very fun.
And it's ready.
After studying for a little while and completing almost everything that I can do to study for tomorrow's exam, I decided to decorate my cake because I didn't want to feel tense later in the evening, and so that I could enjoy my day. After completing that revision, I decided to decorate the cake. I wanted to do the decoration that my mom did when she makes from my cakes. So I decided to stack them together, but the cream had to disappoint me and it started melting as soon as it was out of the can, and that is why I couldn't do the decoration that I wanted to do. And though I had such beautiful decorations for my cake, I couldn't use that. Even to make the cake stay in place, I had to use this chopstick piece and poke it into the cake so that the cake stayed.
So my cake is finally ready. Obviously it is not what I really wanted. I actually had a very different decoration in mind, but now that nothing is working, I have done this. So this is how my cake has turned out. Now I'm going to go take a shower, do some skincare because I need to wash my hair. They are quite oily now. So I'm going to go do that and I'll see you after. After taking my shower, I wasn't feeling very nice. So I decided to make cake pops of the remaining batter of the remaining cake that I had, and that turned out quite well, better than the cake. And now I'm making dinner, which will be tofu curry and rice and roti. So that is our dinner for today, and then we'll study.
After studying for a little while post dinner, I decided to put these press on nails because being in the medical profession, you can't have long nails, and this is the choice that people use occasionally when they want long nails. This was the first time for me trying these.
So I have done my nails now. Let me know in the comments below if you like them, because I really do. But I think that I'll remove the nails on my right hand after a little while, after taking a few pictures and everything, because I have to give exam tomorrow and this is not very ideal for writing.
We celebrated my birthday at 9:30 in the evening, and that is because it's 12 o'clock in India, and so we can actually start the birthday celebration. And also, the reason was to study because a little bit of revision was still remaining.
So I am done with my study session for today. We also celebrated my birthday at 9:30 because we needed to study, and tomorrow we need to wake up early in the morning as we have exam. So this is what I've got. Obviously chocolates, because everyone who knows me knows that I love chocolates. And this, I know it looks very elite, and these are candles and each of them smells so beautiful. I can't even explain to you how they smell, because I still need to read this. It has the description of each and every candle, but it's in Japanese, Korean or Chinese. I don't know what language this is. So yes, that is it. And now I'm going to end my day and sleep, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. It's the next day and I've just woken up at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I have done a little bit of freshening up, and now I am going to sit and revise for the exam as I have a little bit of time. Right now it is 6 o'clock and I have my exam at 10:30, so I can revise and spare some time for that. So let's go. So I'm done with a little bit of revision, and I have also done my hair, and now I'm going to change into the outfit. Wait, let me show you it. So this is a hoodie that I'm going to wear because I am a very basic person, and below this will be black jeans. Jacket that I have worn this hoodie, and on top of that my winter jacket, as it's cold outside. You can see it's quite windy today. And also girlies with long hair, please tell me, how do you function in your life? I couldn't even manage to keep my nails today. Just while coming outside I managed to rip one off while keeping my phone in my pocket. So now we are going to the university for the exam, and then let's see what we do. Bye bye and wish me luck. I have finally reached the exam room, and now let's go see how the teacher is taking the exam and give and hopefully pass. Yeah, I passed. So the exam was a little difficult, but it went fine, and now I'm going to wait for my friends for a little while until they come back. They are in the examination room. They're taking like 6 students at a time. We have to answer 3 questions, 2 theory questions and 1 clinical case, in which we had to explain what is the diagnosis, why we came to that diagnosis, and what will be the further examination methods and the treatment, what drugs will give, whatever. So now I'll wait for my friends and then we'll go back. We are all done with the exam. It was very nice, and now we are going to a cafe to have a nice brunch, and then we'll go back home. That will be it for today, I guess. But so let's go to the cafe. I am back home after going to the cafe. We ate, we drank a very nice coffee. The coffee was so beautiful. I got iced coffee and my friends got latte, which was warm. I don't like warm coffees, so that is that. And now I am back home. I've kept the mess as it is because I'm quite tired, but yes, I'll clean that up now, because I am functioning on 4 hours of sleep. Because more hours of sleep is a myth in medical college. We don't know what that is. So now what I'm going to do is, now that I am home, the first thing that I did was to remove the nails. Because no, I can't function with that. हो गया मेरा पूरा शौक पाल के. So now I'll rest for a while and then start studying for the next exam. It was 5 o'clock in the evening and I have woken up. I didn't really sleep because each time I was falling asleep, someone used to call, be it to wish me or to ask for the exam, how it was today, or the next exam, what is happening, or for any reasons. So I couldn't really sleep, but now I finally decided to wake up, get out of my bed and do something. The first thing that I'm going to do is call my mom, talk to my parents, and then I'll sit and study. I am quite happy today because I don't have to worry about making dinner because my friend is going to cook for me. घर पे तो मम्मा होती है खाना बनाने के लिए, कोई भी स्पेशल दिन हो या नहीं हो. But the only family we have over here is our friends, and that is why my friend is treating me to a special dinner, and he's going to make misal pav for me, and so that I can study for a little while extra. So we'll do that, and he's going to make our dinner. So we have had our dinner, and this is the friend I was talking about who has made me dinner. Look at his face. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Dinner बनवण्यासाठी माझ्यासाठी. Thank you.
Welcome.
Very tasty.
मी बनवलाय ना.
So he has also become a trained chef in this 6 years. Even if we don't complete our MBBS, we can become very good chefs now. So that will be it for today's vlog. I know it is not about studying because this was a birthday vlog. That is why I didn't film myself studying and doing other stuffs. And I'll see you in the next week. I hope that you like this vlog. Bye bye and keep inspiring.